video covers how to submit an employment form to the Human Resources Office. Kettering's Human Resources Office utilizes the Online Staffing Management System's Employee Records module to digitally manage employment forms and documents. Navigate to my.kettering.edu. In the search bar, search for Online Staffing Management System, or OSMS for short, and select Search. In the results, select the Online Staffing Management System link with the page type of Tools and Applications. Enter your Kettering credentials and select Log In. Once the system opens, you will be in the Applicant Tracking System. In the top right-hand corner of the browser, select the ellipsis icon and select Employee Records. Once the Employee Records module opens, you will be in My Tasks. Information on how to use My Task is located in the video provided in the description below this video. Navigate to Available Forms. Available employment forms will display. Select the appropriate form. For this example, I'm going to select the Conflict of Interest and Commitment Form A. Once the form opens, information regarding this form as well as instructions are provided. Next, you will find further information about the different form options as well as a link to a help sheet for further information on how to use this module. The next section of the form will be Employee Information. This is standard information provided within the Human Resources System. Continue to scroll down and complete the form as appropriate. Towards the bottom of the form, you will find an Employee Consent section. Please read in full and agree to the terms and conditions by selecting the checkbox. At the bottom of the form, you have 4 different form options. Select Print as PDF to print an electronic copy of this form. If this form requires a supervisor's approval, this form's workflow will send an email requesting your direct supervisor to log into the system and provide their approval. If appropriate, we do recommend you send a PDF copy to your second-level supervisor and/or dean utilizing the Print as PDF option. The Save Draft button will save information you've entered on this form. This option will allow you to return at a later time to update information and upload documents if appropriate. If you have completed the form, select the Save Final button. If this form requires a signature, an email will be sent requesting you to electronically sign this form. If you have missed any of the form's required fields, you will receive a validation error message. Close the message and scroll up into the form to find any of the questions you may have missed. Then respond and select Save Final. You have the option of immediately signing the form after selecting Save Final by scrolling to the bottom of the form and electronically signing. In the Sign section, read the electronic signature statement in full by selecting the link. Once you have read the statement, type your full name. Next, accept the electronic signature statement by selecting the checkbox. You will see you now have 2 additional form buttons to choose from. If you need to make any changes to the information provided on this form, selecting the Unlock button will return the form to an editable state. Once you've completed electronically signing this form, select Submit. If you have any questions about an employment form or document, contact the Human Resources Office. If you encounter any technical issues or difficulties utilizing the Employee Records module, please contact the Technology Help Desk.